Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn how to make cube or cuboid from the given net from chapter 7th shapes. And to make cube or cuboid from the given net, the following things are required like cardboard, scale, pencil, scissor and gum. Now first of all we will make a net of square boxes with length 4 by 4 with the help of pencil and scale, and then we'll get this type of net. Now with the help of scissor we will cut it, and after cutting we will get this type of net in front of us. Now we will start folding its square boxes one by one, and then we will see which type of figure is formed in front of us. So first of all fold first number of square box. Now fold second number of square box, and now fold fourth number of square box. Now fold fifth number of square box, and at last fold sixth number of square box and cover it. We can join these boxes with the help of gum, and after joining we will get this type of figure in front of us. Now let's count how many faces does this figure has. So start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This figure has 6 faces. As we can see, all faces are equal, so it is a cube. Now again with the help of pencil and card scale you can make square and rectangular boxes on this cardboard in such a way that box number 1 and 5 is square, and second, third and fourth and sixth number of boxes rectangular. Now we will cut these boxes with the help of scissor, and after cutting we will get this type of net in front of us. Now again we will fold it from different sides, and then we will see which type of figure do we get. So start folding. First of all we will fold first number of box. Now join it with second number of box. Third number of box will keep aligned downside. Now join it with fourth number of box. Now fifth, and cover it with the sixth number of box. These numbers can be joined with each other with the help of gum, and after joining this type of figure will be formed in front of us. Now start counting its faces. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This figure has 6 faces, but all faces are unequal, so it is a cuboid. Dear students, now we will solve some sums based on it. Like our sum is, which figure can we form with the help of given net? Here we are given a net with 6 boxes, and for the answer of this question 3 options are given to us. Our option A is cuboid, option B is cube, option C is cylinder. So with the help of given net we will make a figure, then we will see which type of figure is formed with us. So first of all take this net and start folding it from different sides. Yes, here you can see that I am folding it with the help of different sides, and the figure which is formed in front of me, its all faces are equal. So it should be cube, which is our B option, and we will underline this option. This way, dear students, today we have learned how we can make cube or cuboid with the help of given net. Now it is time for today's question. Our today's question is, which type of figure will be formed with the help of given net? And for the answer of this question, four options are given. Option A is cube, option B is cuboid, option C is cylinder, and option D is cone. So, with the help of given net, after folding it, we will see which type of figure will be formed in front of us. So, let's take the net. Yes, dear students, here you can see the net and I am folding it from A side. Now it's second box. Now fourth box. Third box will be lying downside. And now I will fold its fifth box and join it with the sixth box. And here you can see the figure which is formed in front of us. It is of cuboid because it has 6 unequal faces. And this is our option P, and we will tick this option. Now it is time for homework, and from home you will make net on cardboard or paper as shown here, and then you will make different figures like cube or cuboid with the help of net, as well as you will solve the question number 1 of exercise 7.2. Thank you.